I hate snow. It looks like someone fell. Tell me why it's two. My fingers can hold that number. My hair's up for once. Look, I have a purse. I have an apple. This is all my nail stuff. I'm going to my nail class and it's 8 o'clock and I get there at 9. I'm not hungry, so I'm gonna eat a granola. Also, I don't have my sticky thing anymore, so I can't stick it to the freaking thing anymore. To the wall. Like, I'm gonna be evened out on both sides now. I don't have to worry about scoliosis. Because not all of this does not fit into one little book bag. No. And then you have to wear all black. And I'm running out of black clothes. It's the second day. I'm really running out of clothes. My all black fit. And then butterflies. I'm gonna have to be wearing my hair up every Saturday because my hair wash day is on a Sunday. It snowed. Oh look, that's the tiny bit. Oh shit, I see someone from school. Let me go cross the street. But that's why I hate rain. I hate snow. It's dry over here. There's nothing. Is it working? I don't know. I don't think so. I think you just made it in that way you are. It looks like someone fell. Don't step on it. You see it. Wait, is that
No, we don't. No, we don't.
Okay, let's do the snowman.
Abby doesn't care about me.
Oh my god. I'm so scared.
The snow is sleet. It's not actually snow. There's like little balls. So it won't like doesn't turn into a snowball. Ow! I hurt my nail.
Look at our beautiful snowman. So delightful. We got a leg. Oh, he has a mini leg. Don't worry about that. Another leg and his arms. His face. Isn't he so beautiful? And his hat. Such a beautiful beast. You got him. I don't know actually. Abby fell. Abby, how did you fall? Oh shit. There's a snowman over there. And you can even see it. We're gonna go now because Abby can't feel her feet or her wrist. Oh my god. We were only out here for 40 minutes. Oh, this is the day after the snowstorm in New York. Bye bye. Bye bye. If I can turn it off. My dad's one of his tires popped, so we're getting it fixed. He's driving me to school. I have class in 3 hours, so I have been patient. Good thing I didn't. The lift is coming. Anyways, that's not funny. But my mom texted me. She said, "Go down. There is a package from Sarah. It's yours." I'm like, "Mommy, what kind of deal are you having?" I feel like every day there's a new package from Sarah. Sarah this, Sarah that. Sarah, go down. Sarah. She goes, "It's yours." I was like, "It's mine." She's like, "It's only one piece." I'm like, okay, so we're gonna go get it. Also, I didn't vlog yesterday, even though it was my first day. Today I have class, but later. Bro, I swear to you, sometimes my concealer turns out Or like, wow, she sleeps. And sometimes it turns out like this. Like, it looks like I don't sleep at all. Like, you can see right through me. Like, you can see like the veins sometimes. Well, there's a light here helping. So I have really late class today. It's like, I finished at 8:30. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. And I don't know what time is it. It's 4 o'clock. I have to get going soon, but I have to eat food. I left a bit of mascara on my eyelid, and I physically can't take it off, so it's gonna stay like that. Okay, I'm gonna go be studious now. For real. I came back from class. It's late. I edited. And I'm still gonna edit because it's late. I have to get ready for bed. I'm gonna keep editing because I have lots and lots of videos I've never posted. Why? We don't talk about that. Okay, I'm a little lazy. I'm a little lazy, but don't you worry. Don't you worry, little head. Don't you worry. I'm gonna post. Wait, I don't know. But like, it's gonna get there. Okay, bye. I check the freaking weather because I'm about to go out. Tell me why it's 2 degrees. 2. My fingers can hold that number. I was expecting like 12, 13, 14, 2. This is why I don't go out. So what do you mean hang out? This is only when I hang out. Oh yeah, let me just put on my jacket, my sweater, my hat, my gloves, my scarf. It's so cold. The snow is not melting anytime soon. And the snow in New York, they're piling that snow up. Like, you barely can get anywhere. You can barely get on the bus. And the bus has like chains on the wheels. Bus goes round and round. Okay, I'm gonna go eat breakfast. This is how I'm built. I have to walk a few blocks to my bus stop. I got a shiesty inside out. Where's the flag? Because it's not actually a shiesty. This way I don't get catcalled, so 2 in 1. I'll update you. Oh yeah, the only thing is that I'm not wearing an AirPod and I forgot. So we're gonna walk in silence for a bit.
She was feeling my shit, so I gave her the dookie.
This parking lot is safe. I feel so nice. I'm gonna do this more often. Bro, that created so much moisture that my lashes fell. Ooh. Oh well. I almost forgot to not look at the balloons over there. I just bought Chips Ahoy Chewy. We finally have it, bro. I've been going to this. I sound like a big bag. I've been going to CVS literally for the past like 30 times looking for Chips Chewy. But I finally got it. But I'm gonna hide it from my family because if they know, selfish. I want to eat it all for myself. I don't know how many degrees it is, but it's warmer. I forgot to vlog. I just finished my nail class and she's my look. I got my nails done by my classmate. I did her nails. She got blue. I did red because of Valentine's. Because it's the 31st, but it's basically February, bro. Like, it's blue and shiny. Everything that touches the edges is blood. I've been cut like 4 times, I think it was. Like this. All of that touching the edge, that's blood. That's blood. I'm not complaining because it didn't hurt. Also, guys, I realized that I never put on mascara this morning. That's when my lashes fell. I was like so confused. One day I forgot. One day I forgot, and then people were all dressed up because it was like graduation for like the makeup class. I was like, guys, I promise I don't always look like this. I usually have lashes. And for the makeup class too. It's crazy.